Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the lot number on stock report lot number wise in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the report WMS menu under the warehouse module. Now, we have to select the stock report lot number wise menu. On the stock reports lot number wise list page, we have to enter the required details. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the submit button. Now we can see the lot number. This is how to view the lot number on stock report lot number wise in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.